night is an opportunity for students around the world to present their work to creative directors to get a feel for what they're doing well, how they can improve. There are 40 creative directors and about 120 students here.
I've done this many years, and usually you end up seeing 10 to 11 people an evening. There's always one. And I think that's kind of consistent with the ratio for the business. I would suggest that every 10 people that try and get in, one makes it.
A good book is diverse. It's not just like it's all funny, it's not all thoughtful. It's got a little bit of everything, and both in terms of the ads that they have, the pieces that they have, their thinking, but also the attitude. When I see a great book, I get really excited because it means that people really understand a brand and really want to bring it to life and do so in interesting ways.
I love great personality, great energy, great willingness to learn and take feedback. So that's like the first thing I look for. Body language, real attentiveness. And then after that, then I can pay attention to the book and understand if there's something really spectacular in there.
I think a lot of things were, just giving me advice on how to flesh things out. Like certain ambience, for example, there needs to be a reason for that. And I think that was really good advice. And just kind of teaching me how to tweak the print a little bit more was really good advice as well.
Sometimes you go in and you have some work that you're not really sure about, and that is kind of confirmed by the input. So it's like I had a campaign that I liked, but I wasn't in love with, and it's gonna die.
You could be talented, but if you don't have that strength and resiliency, you're not gonna make it. But if you have the resiliency and strength, even though you might not have the talent, you can fight your way through it and do something amazing.
That's the nature of this business. You get up and are told no, either by your partner or your creative director or the account person or the client, and you have to keep coming back, keep digging, keep creating for the one time you get the yes. And it's that yes that usually makes a career for people.